Framer form not submitting? Yeah, that's a serious issue, especially if you're losing leads or messages. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, check all your form fields. I mean, if a required field is empty or set wrong, the form won't submit. Next, check your form settings or integration. If you're using email or a third-party tool, make sure it's connected properly. Now, look at your validation rules. Yeah, incorrect email formats or strict rules can block submission. If you added custom code, disable it and test again. Scripts can sometimes break the form. Also, make sure your success message or redirect is set up correctly. I mean, sometimes the form submits, but you don't see any confirmation. Next, clear your browser cache and refresh the page. Yeah, you might just be seeing an old version, and test your form on another browser or device. This helps confirm if the issue is local. Finally, republish your site. I mean, this ensures all changes are applied correctly. So, yeah, that's how you fix a Framer form that's not submitting. One of these steps should get your form working again quickly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.